On today's body cam we're checking out, she went wild when police told her she had to leave.
Hey, what's your problem? What's going on?
I have a problem?
Yeah, come here.
Do I look like I have a problem?
Yeah, you do.
No, Mr. Officer.
All right, hold on a second.
Can you send my ring?
Hey, did you guys ask her to leave the property?
I did, yeah.
You be willing to give us a statement in a bit?
Yeah, I think.
Okay.
What's your name?
You want to trespass?
That's fine. He don't have the authority. Can
You
I
okay?
ask you what's your name?
You need an ambulance?
No, I'm good.
What's
It's
going on?
hot. Isn't it hot out here for you?
It's a little bit. So what's going on?
What's going on? How's your night going?
That's not bad.
Yeah. What's your name?
Vasquez.
Where you from?
What's your name?
Not that I give a fuck.
Hey, what's your name?
Just these people still playing with my top, dog.
How'd you get here?
I floated on a magic carpet ride.
Hey, if you don't give me your name, we're gonna have an issue.
You know who I am.
No, I don't. I've never met you before. So what's your name?
That sounds like a you problem.
Ma'am, what is your drug of choice? Because you are on something.
Hey, stop
I'm
walking away.
home.
Come here.
I am
Hey,
home.
come here.
You. Papi, yeah. Woo, they gonna make me do acrobatics in this bitch.
Put your hands behind your face.
Come on, man. Why you doing that to me?
Stop.
Hey, baby. Baby, I'm home. Get your hands on me, huh? Why are you doing this? Why are you so aggressive? You wanna me?
No, I don't.
No, you do.
No, I don't.
Oh, yes. Wait, I can show you how to do it better.
All right.
Is
let's
your
go.
wife not
Let's
giving
go.
you any Why you pushing me around like this?
Hey,
huh?
could you? Really?
Get off of me.
What, you paint? Stop.
Stop it.
Stop. Stop. All right, have a seat, matter of fact.
Okay. Okay. Get the f out of me.
Stop.
Ah! Oh, come on.
Oh, she's probably all she looked like greasy. You know how they got that grease look? She probably all sweaty and sticky and damn, she said, what, your wife not giving you none? Oh, she said, what, you want to crack? I said, oh no. Oh no, boy. She's slimy.
Oh, man, what's your problem, G?
She's gonna go to jail.
Papi! No, I'm not, dog. Why
Yeah,
y'all
you
doing this? Y'all got that
Let me
much
get a
hate?
statement from.
What the f did I do to you? What the f did I do to you? Did I come to your doorstep and f your family? Huh?
It's all right. We're
Did
good.
I
We're
mistake
good.
your
We're-
life?
She ain't going nowhere.
But I could, bitch. It's a f***ing hearing. You don't f***. Don't believe everything you see there. You can have me what? You want
Just
that money
move
so bad?
yourself, buddy.
Oh,
Trying to stop her from slipping. Trying to slip out.
stick it right in there. Get the f off me, dog.
What's your name? Can you hold that real quick?
Angela.
Angela?
Danielle Delgado, 829, anything. Back up, get off my knee, nigga.
Hey,
Hearing you don't f don't believe everything you see there. You can have me what? You want
just
that money so
move
bad?
yourself, buddy.
Yo, sorry, yo, this is crazy. Yo, y'all better pay attention to her hand, man. This is crazy. This is crazy, man. Yo, she is off her rocker, boy. What the hell?
Step and f your family. Huh?
It's all right. We're
Did
good.
I
We're
mistake
good.
your
We're-
life?
She ain't going
Nah,
nowhere.
but I could, bitch. It's a f hearing you don't f
Look at this.
don't believe everything you see there. You can have me what? You want
Just
that money
move
so bad?
yourself, buddy.
Oh,
Trying to stop her from slipping. Trying to slip out.
stick it right in there. Get the f off me, dog.
What's your name? Can you hold that real quick?
Angela.
Angela?
Danielle Delgado, 829, anything. Back up, get off my knee, nigga.
Hey, Angela.
Hey, I don't give a fuck what you was cracking. F your police, dog. I ain't saying it no more. Back the f off me.
Sit up. Sit up. We're just. Hey, hold on.
Good job, dude.
Put your knee behind her.
I need some water. All right,
stand up.
Y'all have daughters?
Stand up.
Y'all have daughters?
Stand up.
Oh, that's lightweight. Look at this, three of y'all. Oh,
We're gonna.
no, I ain't pregnant, but I'm about to tonight.
So why you stand up? Be a lady.
I'm not a lady, though.
Yeah, no, we'll work on it. Okay, we'll
Can I
work
have
on
that
it.
hat, Mr.
Yeah, once you
Alfred?
stand up.
Y'all niggas. Yay! These motherfuckers act like they don't work for me.
Hey, flip.
Oh, I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. Oh, you're breaking my arm.
Watch out for
The other side.
Yeah, I like that though. See, you got it about right. Yeah, see, I like that. That's a nice, yeah. Yeah, motherfuckers always do too much and not enough. That's why you're miserable, because your wife ain't you. It ain't my fault I look like this. I am who I am, flash my light.
Hold on. She said it's not my fault that I look like this. Y'all rocking with this? Fellas, y'all rocking with this?
Need an ambulance?
No, I'm good.
What's wrong?
I'm good.
Yeah, I like that though. See, you got it about right. Yeah, see, I like that. That's a nice, yeah. Yeah, motherfuckers always do too much and not enough. That's why you're miserable, because your wife ain't you. It ain't my fault I look like this. I am who I am, flash my light.
We respect your time, so we remove the small talk. Subscribe to Crime Scrutiny for fast, no-nonsense body cam.
All right, so tell me what happened with this lady.
So she's not a regular customer, but she does come in every once in a while. Usually she's not to
Not
this
like
day.
that? Okay.
She's a lot more calm and laid back. But today, for some reason, before I even came in, she was very sporadic.
Okay.
She was fine at first. I could tolerate her. She wasn't doing anything crazy, other than just being loud. As time went on, I guess the influence of whatever she took started to kick in more, because she started to throw things at me, climb over the counter, threaten me, say that I ain't worth, excuse my language, and at one point she was threatening to beat me up.
How did you get her out? Did she just walk out on her own?
She walked on her own, took the opportunity, locked the door.
Okay. You saw what she was doing out there?
I did glance every now and then. She was laying on the floor and going up to customers on the pumps and harassing them, I assume. I told her multiple times in a nice calm voice to leave the property. She took that to heart and started yelling at me.
You want to trespass from here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Well,
absolutely. I don't know if that'll help, but that's her bag right there, like on the counter.
Okay, I'll take that.
Hey, Angela.
I'm calling the real man. Real is back. I've been warning you, idiots. Yeah, y'all idiots.
Angela.
I don't need y'all. Y'all work for me too.
When was the last, Angela? When was the last time you took any narcotics? Could you tell us what it was?
All day, every day, bitch.
Okay.
That's my medicine. Leave me the alone.
What did you take?
Reason, I give you a
And I believe it. Okay? All day, every day. Because she is off her rocker. So I believe it. Damn, this is crazy. She's nuts.
Man, fuck y'all.
You know, they said something earlier. And I'm gonna let it rock after this. But she said something earlier. She was like, to the officers, she said, do y'all have daughters? You know, as if it's like the officers are supposed to be a little bit more lenient because she is a girl. And it's like, I wonder what your dad thinks of this behavior. Like, this is insane. Just out running the street, ripping and running, like taking whatever. Sad, man. Sad.
You guys got hot. Likely under the influence of certain narcotics. She's extremely thick with like the thick kind of sweat from, I don't know, either like that excited delirium or whatnot.
Like stimulant type thing.
Yes, absolutely. Not making any sense. Extremely aggressive. I called you guys just to have an abundance of caution because she is like profusely sweating. Like it's like no joke.
Hey, listen. Yeah, do your cross, baby. If y'all took these shots, I'm praying too right now. Yeah, back the by my face, dog. I got God in front of me, behind me, everywhere. All my people.
Good, you can go to the hospital with you.
Give me that glass.
You can go to the hospital. Okay?
I haven't looked through it yet. She left it in the store.
Here's a straw. Yeah, there's some residue on that side. We got a baby pacifier, guys. Shut him, Bond.
Yeah, I know Rosado.
Yeah.
Khalil?
Yeah.
Khalil Rosado?
Yeah.
I know Khalil. Are you married to Khalil?
Yeah, pull her. No, she is.
You're married to Khalil?
For life and every
I don't think she's
lifestyle.
married to Khalil. I know Khalil.
Back up. Real life. Yeah, real life. Let's not get the my face, dog.
Ready, sir?
Oh man, yeah. That would piss me off, man. Spitting on somebody is one of the lowest things you can do as a human being, man. whether you under the influence or not. It's like a natural reflex. If somebody spit on you, bow, get them together, man. It's just like, it's that fast. Whew.
Step out.
Come here.
Get off. I'm a lady.
Perfect.
I'm a lady, right?
Step out.
I'm gonna take you. It's hot.
I know, that's why we're taking you out of
And
the car.
all this
Let's
is
go.
for my man. You make me put on the mother. See, at least she got some sense.
Yes, come on out.
What's your name? It's Johnny
Sergeant
Blondie.
Gay. Come on
I
out.
don't give a f about you, dog.
Okay, go
Bobby, play with your life. You play about that life. Oh, me too. Easy.
Sorry, dude.
But y'all ain't doing it right. Ah, what the f is this, dog?
All right, now we can tire him.
Yo, you the love of my life, baby. Yeah, I got little hairs at my nipples. What the f? These mama, I don't give a f. Never did. Oh.
What the hell?
That was the situation very well.
So resisting without and trespass after warning because she was warned and
Trespass after warning.
she didn't leave.
Maybe paraphernalia or dope.
Yeah, I'll test the straw later and see. And disorderly conduct or one of those.
Hey, I don't think it's a charge, but she tried to spit on me. Did you see that? She just missed me by like a couple inches.
I did see it.
So we just add that to the resisting without.
Yeah, that's fine.
Show that, you know,
Yeah.
she tried to spit on Sergeant Gay due to bad aim. I mean, she directly put her lips to this thing, spit out the window in my direction.
Oh, she did?
Yeah.
According to court records, Angela was arrested on charges including trespass in a structure or conveyance, resisting an officer with violence, and disorderly intoxication. The case was later resolved through a no-contest plea to all three charges. The court adjudicated Angela guilty on all counts and sentenced her to 5 months in jail, with credit for 124 days already served. She was also ordered to pay $665 in court costs and fees.